To initiate an ACH transfer to your Bank of America account from another bank, follow these steps. Using Bank of America Online Banking. Log into your Bank of America Online Banking. Visit the Bank of America website and log into your online banking account. Locate the ACH transfer option. In the online banking portal, navigate to the transfers or payments section. Look for the option to add an external account or set up a transfer. Provide external account information. You will need to input the routing number and account number of the external bank account from which you want to transfer funds. Confirm the details to ensure accuracy. Verify micro deposits. Bank of America may send micro deposits to your external account to verify its ownership. Once you receive these deposits, return to your Bank of America Online Banking to confirm them. Initiate the transfer. After the external account is confirmed, you can initiate the ACH transfer. Specify the amount you want to transfer, the source account, and the destination Bank of America account. Review and confirm. Double-check all the information and confirm the ACH transfer. Bank of America will process the request. Using the external bank's online banking. Log into your external bank's online banking. Access your account with the bank from which you want to transfer funds. Find the ACH transfer option. Locate the ACH transfer or external transfers option within your external bank's online banking system. Add Bank of America as a payee. Add your Bank of America account as a payee, providing the routing number and account number for your Bank of America account. Initiate the transfer. Specify the transfer amount and the Bank of America account as the destination. Review the details and confirm the ACH transfer.